Hello everyone. In this video, I would like us to delve into other regular expressions and commands in Ubuntu. We will focus on join, diff, get, and how to combine different commands. Let us begin by opening our terminal and checking our current working directory using the pwd command. Currently, we are in the home directory. What are some of the files and subdirectories in this current working directory? Let us check using the ls command. These are some of the subdirectories inside the home directory. I prefer working in the documents directory. Therefore, let us change directory using the command cd documents. Now, let us check the files in the documents directory using the ls command. I already created two files in the documents directory, test1 and test2. Let's see the contents of test1 using the cat command. Type the command cat test1 and press enter. I just added in the file the names of some individuals with their IDs. You can create the same file using nano or use any of your choice. Now, let's see the content of the second file using the command cat test2. The second file has the second names of the individuals with their ages and IDs. We want to join these two files using the join command. The join command is used to combine two files based on a common field. It works with sorted files and is particularly useful for merging data. Type join test1 test2 and press enter to see what happens. As you can see, the command raises an error because the files are not sorted. So let us sort the files first. We will sort them numerically because the first column has numbers. Type the command sort, -n test1 greater than sign test1 underscore sorted and press enter to sort the first file. This will sort the test1 file and write the output in a file named test1 underscore sorted. Let us sort the second file. Type the command sort, -n test2 greater than sign test2 underscore sorted and press enter. This will sort the test2 file and write the output in a file named test2 underscore sorted. Let's confirm if the files have been sorted successfully by viewing them using the cat command. Type cat test1 underscore sorted and press enter. There you go. If you are keen, you will notice the first column is now in ascending order, indicating that the file is sorted. Let's view the second file as well. Type cat test2 underscore sorted and press enter. Just like the first file, the second file is sorted numerically as evident in the first column of the file. Now, let's join the two sorted files. Type the command join test1 underscore sorted test2 underscore sorted and press enter. There you go. The two files have been joined successfully because they were sorted. The joined file now has the individual's IDs, first and last names, and ages. In some cases, you might be forced to specify a delimiter depending on the files you are using. For instance, suppose you were using a file with comma as the delimiter, you might need to specify it in your command. In this case, our files used space as the delimiter. Let us write a command that specifies the delimiter and see the output. Type the command join, -t, opening quotation mark, space, closing quotation mark, test1 underscore sorted test2 underscore sorted and press enter. As you can see, the output is the same as in our previous command. Let's say you would like your output to comprise specific columns. How do you go about it? In that case, you have to specify which columns you would like to be part of the output. If you would like column 2 of file 1 and column 3 of file 2 to be the output, the command would be join, -o1.2, 2.3 test1 underscore sorted test2 underscore sorted. From the output, the second column of the first file, which contains the first names of the individuals, and the third column of the second file, which contains the ages of the individuals, are the output. Now, let's specify the output to comprise columns 2 of both files. Column 2 of file 1 contains the first names of the individuals while column 2 of the second file contains the second names of the individuals. Type the command join -o1.2,2.2 test1_sorted test2_sorted and press enter. As you can see, the joined file comprises the full name of the individuals. With those examples, we are done with the join command. There are still several options that can be used with the join command. Use the man command to see the full list of options and practice using them. Also, remember to subscribe and like the video. Let's clear the terminal and move to the next command. The next command is the diff command. The diff command compares two files line by line and outputs the differences between them. It's commonly used for configuration files or source code. Let's create two files, which are lists of fruits, and use them to demonstrate how the diff command works. As always, let's use the nano command to create the file. I will name my files fruits1 and fruits2. Since you already know how to use the nano command to create files, you can create along with me. Now that we have both files, let's just use the cat command to view them and confirm that they are properly created. So, cat fruits1 gives that list. Also, cat fruits2 gives that list. The next thing we should do is to compare the two files and output the differences using the diff command. Type the command diff fruits1 fruits2 and press enter. There you go. This output shows the differences between the two files. 3C3 means that on line 3 in the first file, a change, denoted by C, has been made, and it corresponds to line 3 in the second file. The less than sign followed by cherry indicates that in the first file, the content of line 3 is cherry. The greater than sign followed by citrus shows that in the second file, line 3 has been replaced with citrus. The same explanation applies to the case of 5C5. Let's say you wanted to display changes with a few lines of context. How do you go about it? In that case, you would use the -u option that presents the output in a unified format, showing context before and after changes. Type the command diff -u fruits1 fruits2 and press enter. This output provides content of the differences between the two files. The first two lines are the file metadata, showing the files being compared together with their timestamps. The third line indicates the range of lines that are being compared, lines 1 to 5 in both files. The other line shows whether or not there are changes in the files. Lines starting with a space remain unchanged. Lines starting with a minus exist in fruits1 file but not in fruits2 file. Lines starting with a plus exist in fruits2 file but not in fruits1 file. Let's clear the terminal and move to the next demonstration, which is how to combine different command using the piping character. The piping character has the ability to combine different commands because it passes output from one program into another. Let's see it in action. Let's say you want to extract the small letter from a file named fruits1, then you would like to know how many lines in that file has the small letter A. This would be the command. Type grep, opening quotation mark, A, closing quotation mark, fruits1 piping character WC, -L and press enter. The output is 2, which means only 2 lines in the file fruits1 has small a in them. Let's confirm that notion by viewing the fruits1 file using the cat command. Type cat fruits1 and press enter. As you can see, only banana and date has the small a in them. It is indeed true that only 2 lines in the file has the small a. Let's see another example. Let's say you want to compare 2 files, fruits1 and fruits2, using the diff command and ensure that the output is in the unified format. You want to pass that output to another command that extracts all lines starting with a minus or plus and count how many lines are they. Your command would be diff -u fruits1 fruits2 piping character grep -c opening quotation mark character opening square bracket minus plus closing square bracket closing quotation mark. If you type the command and press enter, you get 6 as the output, meaning only 6 lines have either the minus or plus sign at the beginning or start of the line. Let's confirm this by typing the command diff -u fruits1 fruits2 and pressing enter to see the output. Let's count the number of lines starting with either a minus or a plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are 6 lines, confirming the output of the previous combined command. Let's see the last example. Let's say you would like to ls the contents of the documents directory as ls-l command, then you want to sort the output numerically using column 5, and then you want to view the last 5 lines of the output. In this case, the command would be ls-l piping character sort -k5 -n piping character tail -n5. Type the command and press enter to see the output. There you go. That's the output. If you look at it keenly, you will realize that the numbers in column 5 are sorted numerically and are in ascending order. And you will also realize that only 5 lines are presented as the output as specified using the tail command. That's it for command combination. Let's now talk about the Wget command. The Wget command is used to retrieve files from the web using HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP protocols. It's often utilized for automating downloads, mirroring websites, or managing files and scripts. Let's see how the Wget command is used to download files. You should have the link to the file you want to download. I would like to download a .fasta file from the Plasmid website. Let me copy the link. Let me now type the command wget, then paste the link I copied and then press enter. If you receive no errors, the file has been downloaded successfully. The download progress shows 100% indicating the file download is complete. You can type the ls command just to confirm the file exists in your current working directory. There it is. You can use the ls command just to see the content of the file. Type the command ls followed by the name of the file and press enter. There you go. It is a file containing sequences in the FASTA format. Press Q to exit the ls command view. To that point, we are done with today's tutorial. Then you consider subscribing for more of the same content. Goodbye for now.